Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Wallpaper Engine stop when playing games. Now you can go ahead and launch up the Wallpaper Engine app and then click here on settings to access the playback settings, or what you could do is just come here at the bottom, right click on this icon, and then here you should see Wallpaper Engine. Just right click on it and then click on settings. Now this will open up your performance settings, and here you should find playback. Now, to make it stop when playing games, what I want you to do is go ahead and change these options. So when the other application is focused, we'll change this from keep running to pause. And then when the other application is maximized, for example, most games are usually maximized in full screen, you can pause this as well. So go ahead and do that for both. And then we have this one as well. If it's playing audio, you can go ahead and pause it. Just make sure you press OK, otherwise it will not register. And then let's say we had a game open, as you can see, it would pause. The same thing if it was full screen as well. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.